Hello and welcome. I'm recommissioning this lovely Evo 2 after a 10-year storage. I've replaced the fuel pump and I've emptied out and cleaned the fuel tank. So the car now runs, but the fuel gauge doesn't work. So I got the dash out and printed a wiring diagram from Berliner Sportivo. As usual, I felt tipped the wire colours in so I could see them easier. Live red goes to the gauge first, and then a green comes out of the gauge and goes to the tank sensor. This goes through a rheostat to earth and via black wire. The brown wire is the low fuel warning light. So first thing, get the test lamp and check the gauge is getting a live feed with the ignition on. Yes, it is. I can test the gauge by touching the green wire out of the tank sensor with the test lamp. Now to test the tank sensor wiring. With the ignition on, I bridged the sensor plug to see if the wiring is sound, and it is. I lifted the sensor out of the tank. Some fuel will drip out. Inside, a bottle goes up and down with two contacts. It has a spring at the bottom and at the top. Now the top spring seems to be the contact point. This was corroded, so I sanded down the two ends to clean them up. I Q-tipped inside the slider contacts, gently sanded the two contact bars. It's tricky to make sure the two spring contacts go inside the inner tube. Now there is a little square hole in the outer to press. You can press them in with a thin spike. I don't really understand how this measures the fuel level, but it should now. I fitted the tank sensor in place and refitted the dashboard. Easier said than done, but it's on now. There's some fresh fuel in the tank, so let's test it. Okay, that works. Success. Excellent. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.